Gotta love Montana. Sitting here trying to cook me some food. That's right, me. Trying to cook some food. Outside, it was nice and all the snow was melting. And now we're like in the middle of a blizzard again. Yeah. Lots of fun right here. Getting covered. Very quickly. Yeah, it's really coming down. Look at that. Just like 10 minutes ago there was no snow on my car. It's crappy. Crappy. Take the snow away. Crappy snow, go away. I'm gonna make a couple videos today because I don't think I really want